Imagine you're just trying to make it to your destination on a hot summer day with kids whining in the backseat, but then all of a sudden, you hear a loud pop. When you get outside the car, you're greeted by a flat tire. Now you're in for a long wait unless you've got a spare tire in your car and know how to change it, and that's exactly where a portable tire inflator comes in handy. This small, handheld device helps quickly inflate a flat tire to keep you going on the road. But, with a solid range of portable tire inflators on the market, it becomes a bit difficult to choose the right one for your needs. To help you out, we've listed and reviewed some of the top portable tire inflators of 2023. Number 1. Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful option, look no further than the Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator. Because it has a metal cylinder and comes with all the needed gears, you can easily inflate all 4 tires with it. This product is equipped with a powerful battery that can keep this tire inflator running continuously for about 20 minutes. It also has rechargeable lithium batteries and uses direct current, DC, power supply, making tire inflation a rather simple and quick task. You can instantly choose the right tire pressure with the preset value feature, and the inflator will automatically turn off once it reaches the set amount. And, thanks to its LCD panel, observing the set and actual tire pressure levels are made extremely simple. With all of its features and superb functionality, this portable tire inflator is unquestionably the top choice. Number 2. FBK Portable Tire Inflator. Looking for a high-quality portable tire inflator that'll make a huge difference on those long road trips? The FBK Portable Tire Inflator is ideal. It comes with preset modes to get your desired tire pressure, so you don't have to constantly monitor the process. This simple yet powerful device makes it extremely easy to view the current and set pressure on the digital screen, and the inflator automatically turns off when the tire reaches the preset pressure. This portable tire inflator also features a sturdy handle at the top that makes carrying it a breeze. To prevent messes and help with convenient storage, you can tuck away the power wire and inflation cord in the rear groove. You can even use this inflator at night without requiring extra light because it's equipped with LEDs to help you see, even in poor lighting. Number 3. Viair Portable Tire Inflator. The Viair Portable Tire Inflator can easily and quickly fill up a tire from 20 to 30 psi in just about 50 seconds. You can use this 12-volt inflator to fill up air in the tires of most vehicles, including bikes, motorcycles, cars, and some mid-size SUVs. To avoid any uncertain situations and maintain your vehicle in tip-top shape, you should check its tire pressure every day, and this inflator lets you just do that without visiting a gas station. For your convenience, this tire inflator is powered by alligator clamps that you can connect directly to your car's battery. It also has an LED power indicator to let you know when the device is turned on, and the 9-foot-long power cord allows you to move around the car without any hassle to inflate all 4 tires in one go. Number 4. Ryseeb Portable Tire Inflator. The Ryseeb Portable Tire Inflator has a turbo design and is embedded with a powerful 24-cylinder air pump, providing you with maximum air pressure to inflate a flat tire in a flash. You can refill your car's tire in as low as 1 minute with this inflator and can fully inflate a tire in just 5 minutes to keep your car going. Even better, it has a compact and cordless design, making this inflator extremely convenient to carry from one place to another. This portable tire inflator operates on a rechargeable battery, so you can inflate your car's tire without having to sap your car's battery. It also features an LCD screen that shows air pressure in 4 different units and gives you a real-time view of accurate data, letting you know the current tire pressure at a mere glance. Number 5. EP Auto Portable Tire Inflator. If you're on a budget and looking for a portable tire inflator that won't break the bank, get your hands on the EP Auto Portable Air Inflator. You might think that the affordable price tag means it's made using low-quality materials, but this isn't the case. When it comes to inflating tires on motorcycles, bikes, sedans, or SUVs, this pick can inflate tires in less than 5 minutes. The digital screen displays pressure measurements in 4 different units, making it extremely easy to see the target and current pressure at a glance. Even better, the manufacturer has managed to add an automatic shut-off feature despite the cheap price tag, making it comparable to the high-end models. This portable tire inflator also has an LED flashlight, which comes in handy when you're caught up in low light conditions or filling up tires at night.